In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Google Map into Microsoft Word using Microsoft Word. Adding a Google Map to your document can be useful for event invitations, business proposals, travel guides, reports, or any document where you need to show a specific location visually. Including a map makes your document clearer and more professional, especially when giving directions or highlighting a place. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Maps. In the search bar, type the name or address of the location you want to insert into your Word document. Then, press Enter. Once the correct location appears on the screen, adjust the zoom level so the map shows exactly what you want your readers to see. You can zoom in for detailed street views or zoom out to show a broader area. After positioning the map properly, capture it as an image. The simplest way to do this is by taking a screenshot of the map. On a Windows computer, you can use the snipping tool or snip and sketch to select just the portion of the screen that contains the map. On a Mac, you can use the screenshot shortcut to select the desired area. Save the captured image to your computer in an easy-to-find location. Next, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the map to appear. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Pictures. Choose this device, then locate and select the screenshot image you saved. Click Insert, and the map will appear in your document. Once the map is inserted, you can resize it by clicking on the image and dragging the corner handles. This keeps the proportions correct and prevents distortion. If you need to adjust how the text flows around the map, click on the Layout Options icon next to the image and choose a wrapping style such as square or tight. This allows you to position the map neatly within your content. Finally, review the placement and size to ensure the map is clear and readable. You can also add a caption below the image by right-clicking the map, selecting Insert Caption, and typing a description. This is especially helpful for formal documents. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily insert a Google Map into Microsoft Word to enhance your document with clear and visual location information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.